In this video we discuss where can we place variables in switch statement. That means where do we use variables in switch statement. Here is the example. We have taken a variable n. There are two places here. One is the switch expression and another one is the case value. In these two places we can place variables. Now we see in the expression we are giving variable. Now we see what happens. Let us say I am giving value here 66. In the expression we are giving variable n, and in the cases we are giving constants 65 and 66. Now we run this program. As n value is 65, we got output this is 65. That means in the expression part we can give variables, and similarly in the expression part we can give constants also. Now again we run this program. We got output this is 66. The first point to be noted here is in the expression part we can give either constant or we can give variable also. And now coming to the cases, what type of values can we give here? In the cases we can give directly constants. 65 and 66 are constants. But in this example, let us say we try to give variable here. Now we run this program. Now what it is saying, it is giving compilation error. Why? Because what is the error here? Case label doesn't reduce to an integer constant. That means in the cases we should not write or we should not use variables. In the cases we should write, we have to write only constant values. We should not write variables. That means in the expression part we can use constants as well as we can use variables, but in the cases we have to use only constants, but we should not write variables. At this point if you use variables, then we get compilation error. Now we see the same points here. In the expression part we can give constants, as well as variables. We can give constants as well as variables. That means constants are allowed and variables are also allowed. What type of constants and variables are allowed in the expression? As we have discussed in the previous videos, only integer and character constants and integer and character variables. Then what about coming to the case values here? Which are allowed here in the cases? We have to use only constants. Okay, we should not use variables. If you use variables, then we get compilation errors. So this is the main purpose of this particular video. In the switch statement, in the expression part, we can use constants as well as variables, but in the switch cases we have to use only constant values. We should not use variables. If we use variables, then we will get compilation errors.